Welcome back to my channel, and today's cue card topic is describe an ambition that you have for a long time। इसमें हमें कोई भी ऐसा गोल या एम्बिशन जो हम किसी चीज़ को पाना चाहते हैं उसके बारे में हमें बताना है, चाहे वो हमारी स्टडीज़ को लेकर हो या फिर वो हमारे करियर को लेकर हो। कोई भी एम्बिशन या गोल जो हमारे पास है हमें उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है। तो आइए देखते हैं इसके follow-up questions. Follow-up questions are what it is, what you did for it, when you can achieve it, and explain why you have this ambition. इसमें हमें बताना है कि एम्बिशन क्या है, क्या हम उसके लिए कर रहे हैं, कैसे हम उसको अचीव करेंगे, और एक्सप्लेन करना है कि क्यों हमें ये एम्बिशन है, क्यों हम इस गोल को कंप्लीट करना चाहते हैं, हम इसे पाना चाहते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद अ सिंपल क्यू कार्ड आंसर। I have had ambitions in my life. Some I have achieved and some I have failed to achieve. I have also felt the reason for my failure to achieve goals has always been associated with my lack of motivation. So today I want to talk about ambition that I am really motivated to achieve. The ambition is to settle in Canada. I think it started about 5 years ago when one of my close friends, Rajni, moved there. Before that, I was completely unaware about the life in Canada. Her words have built a fairy tale image of Canada in my mind. She told me about the difference in quality of life between India and Canada. The healthcare and the education system in Canada are miles ahead. There is no corruption, there is very negligible crime, and more than anything else, there is value for labor. Then Canada's weather is also to my liking, as I hate the heat. I sweat profusely during the summers in India, and it not only makes me uncomfortable but also others around me. Canada summers are also quite cool. I also have a habit of googling pictures from Canada, and the beautiful landscapes have only strengthened my resolve to settle in Canada even more. That is the reason I am taking the IELTS exam today. You can see that my English is not great, but I have worked really hard to improve my English for the past few months. It is not easy. I have developed a habit of watching movies and reading English newspapers for developing my English. I also try to talk with all my friends in English and also even ask them to do the same. I no, only practice makes perfect. I have also done research on the course and the university I want to apply. Even if I fail today, I will try again because I am really motivated to fulfill this ambition. So this is the sample cue card answer for you. I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you.